Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Question Point. In our channel we provide you SSC's important question and for other various exams also, mainly for SSC, MTS, CGL, CHSL and various other SSC exams also. And our medium for providing you content is English. Generally you will not find the content in English, so here we are with our series of question of GK and GS for SSC exams, and in today's session we will be providing you the question which are asked in the 2nd May exam of all the shifts of questions of GK and GS. So let's start our series. First question is, which tax was imposed by Maratha in the south? So basically by Maratha, Chauth was imposed in the South India. Next question is, for which offence can police arrest a person without permission of the court? So basically for cognizable offences, the police can detain a person without the permission of the court. Question number 3, Magnus Carlsen is related to which sport? So basically he is related to chess. Next question is, what is the normal temperature of human body? So normal temperature for human body is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, or in Celsius it is 37 degree Celsius. Next question is, how many biosphere reserves are there in India? So in India we have 18 biosphere reserves, and Ramsar sites we have 75, and tiger reserves we have 54. Next question we have is, in which cell is the nucleus found? So basically nucleus is found in prokaryotic cell. There are two types of cell. Nucleus is found in eukaryotic cell. There are two types of cell, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So well defined nucleus is found in eukaryotic cells, not in prokaryotic cells. These are kind of primary cells which do not have a well and clearly defined nucleus. Next question is, whose dignity does the preamble enhance in the constitution? So basically preamble enhances unity and integrity of individuals as well as our nation, that is India. Preamble enhances the unity and integrity of India as well as all the individuals. Next question is, who presides over the first Congress session? So correct answer for this question is Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee. Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee, he was the person who presided over the first Congress session. So basically these are the person who are named as president. So of first Congress session that was held in 1885, Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee was the president for this session. Next question is, Gohari, Hathiman and Gair dance performed by which tribe of Rajasthan? So basically it is performed by Bhil tribe. Bhil tribe of Rajasthan performs Gohari, Hathiman and Gair dance in Rajasthan. So next question can maybe ask like, where is Bhil tribe found? So you can remember this, that Bhil tribe is found in Rajasthan. Next question is, which harvest festival is celebrated in Tamil Nadu? So correct answer is Pongal. Pongal is a festival which is celebrated due to harvesting season, because harvesting is done by the farmer, so they celebrate this festival Pongal. Next question is, who built the Konark Sun Temple? So basically it is built by Narsingh Dev I. Next question, you can also be asked like, who built the Jagannath Puri Temple? Jagannath Puri Temple, these are art and architecture questions. Jagannath Puri Temple. So Jagannath Puri Temple was built by Anantha Varman. And you can also be asked like, who built Lingaraj Temple? So it was built by Jajati Keshari. It was built by Jajati Keshari. Next question we have is it is Kargam or Karam dance is related to which state? Kargam or Karam dance, it is related to Chhattisgarh. Next question, during which dynasty was the Khajuraho temple built? So basically it was built during the times of Chandelas, when Chandelas ruled that region. So at that time Khajuraho temple was built. In which state is Lingaraj temple located? I have earlier told you that Lingaraj temple is built by Jajati Keshari and it is situated in Odisha, as well as Jagannath Puri temple is also situated in Odisha only. Lingaraj temple is basically at Bhubaneswar. And next question we have is Ilyas Khan is the player of which musical instrument? So basically he plays sitar. Whose book is The Race of My Life? The Race of My Life is Milkha Singh's book. Milkha Singh book. According to budget of 2023 and 24, how much money will the corporation contribute in every rupee of tax revenue? So it is 15 paisa. Correct answer for this question is 15 paisa. Where was the 1982 Asian Games held? So correct answer is New Delhi. Ninth Asian Game, which was held in 1982, was held in New Delhi. New Delhi. Next question is, in December 2022, in which country the gold mine named Xinjiang located? So basically, by looking at the name, most people will go with the option like China only if it is available in the option. So correct answer is also China. Next question is, where was Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital Research Center inaugurated by the PM Narendra Modi? So Homi Bhabha Cancer Hospital and Research Center. So it is in Mohali, Punjab. Mohali, Punjab. Next question, in which article constitution the provision of untouchability is there? So it is in article number 17. By whom Khajuraho temple built? This we have already seen that it is built by Chandela kings. On the bank of which river did the battle between Alexander and Porus take place? So it is on the bank of Jhelum river. Its name is also Vitasta. Vitasta. This is the name of Jhelum river only. In which year first constitutional amendment was done? So it was done in 1951. It added 9th schedule in the constitution. Next is, in which article there is a provision for impeachment of president? So impeachment of president is mentioned in article 61 of the Constitution of India. Next question, Pandit Ravi Shankar is associated with which instrument? He is also associated with sitar only, that we have seen with Ilyas Khan also. Next question is, what is the literacy rate of Delhi as per 2011 census? So it was 86.21%. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain before Rishi Sunak? Prime Minister of Britain before Rishi Sunak. So it was Liz Truss. It's a name of a lady. Liz Truss. Next question is, which vitamin is important for eyesight? Correct answer is vitamin A. Vitamin A is important for eyesight. Basically, vitamins, which disease is caused by which deficiency of which the vitamin. This you must remember all the list, that what is caused by deficiency of vitamin A, that is a night blindness. By vitamin deficiency of vitamin B, it's beriberi. Vitamin C, it's scurvy. Vitamin D, it's ricket. So you must learn this list, a whole list. It's important from the exam perspective. Next question is, which festival is celebrated on the occasion of harvesting in Meghalaya? Earlier we have seen that harvesting in Tamil Nadu is celebrated in the form of Pongal festival. So in Meghalaya it is celebrated as Bangla festival. Next question is, Indian Railways has set target of carbon free railway during till which year? So it is till by reaching 2030, Indian Railways will be having carbon free target. Next question is, who has received Major Dhyan Chand Award in parachuting? Parachuting, SHO. Who has received the Major Dhyan Chand Award in parachuting? So it is won by Avni Lekhara. It was won by Avni Lekhara. Next question, Article 17 of Indian Constitution is related to abolition of untouchability. This we have already seen, that in which article there is a provision of untouchability. There it was asked as Article 17. Now it is given as Article 17 and it is asked what is the provision. So remember both ways. Next question is, which state has the highest sex ratio as per 2011 census? So as per 2011 census, highest sex ratio is of Kerala and lowest is of Haryana. It is lowest for Haryana, highest is for Kerala. Bharatnatyam is the classical dance of which state? So correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu's classical dance is Bharatnatyam. Next question, what is the full form of FRBM? It is Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management. There is nothing to explain in this. Next question is, who was the founder of Swaraj Party? It was founded by Motilal Nehru. Next question, who is called the slave of slaves? So it is Iltutmish. Basically, Iltutmish is known as slave of slaves. Bihu folk dance. I think this is the most common question that we see every time wherever folk dances and all are asked. Bihu is always asked. So remember this, it is from Assam. Next question, biography of APJ Abdul Kalam is what? So remember its name, it's Wings of Fire. Next question, what is the percentage of India's area in the world? So it is 2.4% of world area, and in terms of area it is 3.28 square kilometer. As per percentage of the world area it is 2.4%, as per area calculation it is 3.28 square kilometer. Next question is, Walker Cup is related to which sport? So it is basically related to golf. Toman is the currency of which country? So Toman is the currency of Iran. First women president of Congress. So first women president of Congress was Annie Besant, and of Indian origin it was Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was the first Indian woman who became the president of Congress, but as per the first women president it was Annie Besant. If it is asked about Indian women, so Indian was Sarojini Naidu. Next question is, that's it for today. We have completed our session for today. That's much questions we are able to arrange. Thank you so much for watching our video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel, and you can also comment that how you liked our video, whether it was good or not. You may also dislike if you did not like our video. Keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.